Good morning, everyone. This is your teacher, Miss Rita. Today we will do a quick revision about concentration and solubility. So today's objectives are solubility, concentration, and the types of solution. So we previously explained that a solution is made from a solvent and a solute, and the solute dissolves in the solvent. So to calculate the concentration, it is the mass of the solute that is dissolved in the given volume of the solvent. So to calculate the concentration, we simply have to divide the mass of the solute by the volume of the solution, and the unit is the grams per liter. Let's solve an example. A solution of salty water has 10 grams of salt, so the solute is 10 grams and 100 milliliters of water. And here you need to be careful to transform or convert the volume into liters. So 100 milliliter is 0.1 liter. Calculate the concentration of the solution. So we divide the mass by the volume. We get 10 grams divided by 0.1 equals to 100 grams per liter. So the concentration of salty water is 100 grams per liter. Now let's explain or remember what solubility is. It is the maximum amount of solute that can dissolve in a given volume of solvent. Let's say, for example, you are trying to mix salt and water. You will reach a point where the salt will not dissolve anymore. So right before reaching this point is what we call the solubility, is the maximum that can dissolve. Let's take an example. The maximum amount of salt that can dissolve in 1000 milliliters of water is 357 grams. So they gave us the maximum mass and they gave us the volume. The question is to calculate the solubility of salt. We use the equation solubility S is equal to the maximum amount or mass that can dissolve divided by the volume of the solution, and the volume is 1000 milliliters, which is equal to 1 liter. So we get 357 divided by 1 equals to 357 grams per liter. Now to be able to decide what is the type of solution that you have to compare the concentration to the solubility of the solute. So a solution can be saturated, supersaturated, or unsaturated. If the concentration is equal to the solubility, it means that it is saturated. If the concentration is greater than the solubility, it means that it is supersaturated. And if the concentration is less than the solubility, then the solution is unsaturated.